Hello everyone, good day. This is Matt to Big Ben, and this is question number 8 for 2025 Waec objective question, which is under logical reasoning. So we have that consider the following statement. Now, the first statement P is that the weather is warm. Are you following? Now, the second statement Q is that the sun is shining. Remember, the first statement is the weather is warm. Then the Q is the sun is shining. So they will both work hand in hand. Now, you say which of the following correctly represents the statement the sun is shining if and only if the weather is warm. Now, let's underline the word if and only if the weather is warm. Now, firstly, they say the sun is shining. Now, basically, we know we have some symbols for we use to denote for logical reasoning. So we have stuff as this, where this is our conjunction. This is our conjunction, which we know. Conjunction. This is our disjunction. Basically, as taught, right? This is implies, which is conditional statement, which is implies, and this is if and only if. This is if and only if, or otherwise known as by conditional statement. By two conditional statements. Now, firstly, I want us to understand that the word if and only if is a biconditional statement. Exactly. It's a biconditional statement. That is to say, both Q and P are happening at the same time. That is to say, their both direction are true. That as P is happening, then Q is happening. Or as Q is happening, P is apparently happening at the same time. Exactly, they happen simultaneously and they happen to be true in the same direction. Exactly. So therefore, they said the sun is shining, which is what? Q. Q represents the sun is shining. If and only if the weather is warm, and which we know they are both what? They are both true. Because for weather to be warm, the sun has to be what? Has to be shining. Exactly. So we have Q if and only if the weather is warm. And this is the statement that represents this logical reasoning. Okay? And I think this should be our option. Let me see. Option what? From the question, this should be our option D. Option D. Yes. So Q is the sun is shining if and only if, which is the symbol, the weather is warm. Option D. So guys, I hope this question meets you guys well. Please remember to follow, to share, to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.